Want to change the Roblox app theme on Android? In this video, I'll show you how to switch between dark and light mode step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android phone and tap the three-line bar icon at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the settings gear icon. Now select Device Preferences, then look at the Device Level Theme section. From here, you'll see a theme drop-down menu. After that, select either dark or light or system default. Tap your choice and the app updates instantly. That's how you change the Roblox app theme on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment if you want custom themes or UI tricks.